how to fix this light on Chery. This is a service light. I'll show you how to remove it. I'll show you how to remove the service light on Chery Arizo. Alright, come on, you can put that here. So first, you need to hold this like for 5 seconds. Okay, this button like this here. Okay, for 5 seconds. Then turn on the car, but do not start the car. Just turn on like this, the key. Just put like this only. Do not start the car. Keep it on hold for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Once it's 10 seconds, this button, just keep it hold for 10 seconds. When it's 10 seconds done, just remove it and start the car. Engine, the service light is gone, right? All right, thank you.